Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Stacy and I make videos on fashion and styling. And today's video is going to be pretty short. It's just going to be a quick unboxing for you guys and a little chit chat. See what you guys are up to. I'm off today, so I figured I would, step on camera and give you guys a little video, a little content for the girls today. My outfit. First, I just have on really just a two-piece. This is an Adidas sweatshirt. I have on matching sweatpants. I got these from Academy. I will link them below. Right now, Academy is running, I think, 25% off of all fleece. I think it may be from all brands. If not, it's at least on, I think, Nike and Adidas. So just little, 3 stripes on the side here. I may insert a picture. I'm 100% sure. I don't have on any shoes, but I do have on these. Look at these little slipper socks. Okay, let me tell you, y'all need these slipper socks. Like, these are the most comfortable things ever. I need another pair. They were $10 at Target, and I tried to order some more, but they're not, like, I think they were at one Target, but it wasn't by me, and I'm not going there. So I was gonna try and pick it up, like do a little car thing, at my local Target, but they don't have them there. So I don't know, but I'm letting you know. I'm going to insert a picture so you can know exactly the ones that I have. So if you do see them, you can pick them up. They are $10. They are worth every single penny. Like, I need several pairs for the entire weekend. Like, they're that good. So that's all. And then I also have like a little rope chain here. You know what? I think I got this from Target, from their Bubble Bar collection. This is definitely from Target. It's like a little S pearl with a little sort of a link chain here. I love it. I think these were both like $12.99. These should both still be at Target. I know, well, I got this a while ago, but I think they probably still have some. And then this one is fairly new. So this is a really good gift idea too. So, that's it. And these earrings are probably from like Forever 21 or H&M. I don't really remember. They're really cheap. They're just some gold hoops. So let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so my good sis, Siboney from Southern Chic Shopaholic, she actually put me on to game, not even realizing that she did. But she did a video probably a few months ago, and she talked about how DSW sold Gucci shoes. Excuse me? I had no idea. I'm not really a big DSW shopper, to be honest with you. I think their assortment is a little bit slower for me. Like, I'm just more of a Zara shoe. Sam Edelman, Dolce Vita, I think they're a little bit too slow. So I don't really go on their site that much, if at all, unless I'm like looking for something specific and I like Google it and then something, and it pops up and it says DSW. That's really the only time I even look on that site, unless I'm like comp shopping them for work. But anyway, so she said that they sold Gucci. And I was like, what? I had no idea. So I went on DSW's site, and lo and behold, they have a Gucci assortment. Okay, so let me tell you what I was looking for. So first, I have been looking for a pair of like Gucci sneakers. I just haven't really been willing to spend like the $600 to $700 that they are wanting on these sneakers. I think the Ryton is one of the ones I initially was looking at, and then I thought about it and I said, no, I think I would rather just get like the basic Ace shoe, and that's a shoe that's just like a little court shoe that they've had for like years and years. It's going to always be in style. It is what it is. But those go from like maybe $600 to $700 depending on like the execution of it, because they have different kinds and designs or whatever like on the side of the shoe. So I went on there and I see that they did have some in stock that I could have been willing to purchase, but I wasn't quick enough because I didn't know what size to buy. And when I started doing like YouTube research, they said that they do run really big. So that didn't really help me a lot. I had to do more and more digging. So by the time I actually realized what size I should possibly get, I went back to the site. That stuff was gone. The first time I went on the site, they had like maybe a good 20 different types of shoes. Well, I went on there maybe a couple weeks later, and there was like maybe 3, and they were like all men. So I was like, okay, whatever. So then I actually was comp shopping for my job. And that was the reason why I totally forgot about it, because I just don't shop at DSW, and honestly, it wasn't on my radar that much. But I went on there to like comp shop for my job, and I saw that they had like a 20 or 25% off of Gucci. So I was like, I was like, okay. So I clicked on it and I saw these shoes that I thought that I would be willing to purchase. And so they were $4.99 and then they were marked down to $39, I think $3.99, whatever the discount was. Plus I had like an additional $10 off. So I got these shoes for under $400. So I was really excited about it. So I ordered them. I did like 2-day shipping. I went ahead and paid like the $12 or whatever it was for 2-day shipping because I just didn't want to wait. And two, I wanted to see if they were going to fit because I ended up getting a men's size. So I got a men's size 4.5. And I'm normally a men's size 5.5. Like if I'm buying like a men's like Nike shoe or something like that, that's usually the size I would get. But I just took a chance and said, you know, based off of the reviews on these shoes, I went ahead and got a size 4.5. So anyway, it comes in like the Gucci box. The box is in impeccable shape. Like I'd already opened up the box, but I have not opened up the shoes. So that's that. And then we get in here and, you know, it's wrapped up, of course. And the moment of truth, because I have not all right, these are really cute. These are so cute. Look at that. I love the heel counter here, how has a Gucci back here and it's like red. It's almost like a little red metallic here. I love the little green and red Gucci logo here. I don't know. I really like that a lot. It's more of a distress, so it's kind of giving you sort of Golden Goose vibes. But to be honest, these are actually cheaper than Golden Goose. Well, what I paid for them was cheaper. They have this little remove only after sale, this little thing here under like the laces or whatever. But yeah, these look like these are gonna fit. Oh, it has like a little thing on the back here, and yeah, I really like them a lot. So yeah, okay, you know what, let me try them on because I'm very curious. And obviously it comes with like the little dust bags and things like that, you know, all Gucci shoes do. But yeah, let me see. I think these are gonna fit. I think they're gonna fit. They're gonna fit. Let's see. They fit! I did so well. I am so excited. Okay, so this was the score of a century for me. I got these shoes for not quite half off, but nearly half off. And I had been they were on my wish list probably for the past, I'd say maybe 3 months. And I'm so glad I waited. I'm glad I waited it out. I really need to thank Southern Chic Shopaholic, Siboney. Check out her channel. I will link it below because to be honest with you, I would have never known that DSW even carried Gucci shoes. From what I know, that's the only like high-end brand that they carry. But I could be wrong. You know, if I am wrong, please leave it in the comment section because I need to know, you know, if I'm wrong or not, because I need to be looking out for some other designer shoes if they do carry them. So I'll definitely be going back on there and checking them out because they had loafers. I mean, they had mules. I mean, they had all kinds of shoes. I was just in the market for a pair of sneakers. And that's it. So I have a couple other things that I bought this week that should be coming. I do have a package coming today from Sam Edelman. I bought a pair of snakeskin boots. Not that I need another pair, but I don't know. I kind of just get into like a groove of where there's a certain like style of shoe that I like. And, you know, if I want it, then I want it. So I just went ahead and bought it. So those are going to be here today. And then I have another pair of shoes that I bought from the Nordstrom sale. That should be here maybe sometime Monday or Tuesday. And then I did buy a couple of things from the Zara sale. And you know what? Let me tell you something. I only bought mainly shoes. I think I bought one pair of like faux leather pants. They were kind of like a cognac color, which hopefully they do fit, but they looked really nice. And they were like marked down to like $30. But because I think it was 40% off of select items. I don't know if I like this or not. In some ways it's good because I was able to get a few pairs of shoes that I had my eye on, but I didn't really want to spend, you know, that price point on. But I don't know, because I'm kind of starting to think that there are certain things that they're bringing in that they are like marking the price up on. I feel like I've got several times, just based off of how many things sort of start to show up on their like special prices section, which did not used to be the case. Maybe even not last year, to be honest with you, because I shop on Zara a lot. And then, you know, before their sale used to be 30% off the entire site, basically starting 6 or 7 o'clock on the Thursday, and then it would be all day Friday, and then that's it. I think on Saturday it went back to regular price, and then like maybe a week or so later they would start running like their other like big sale. And then for the most part, mostly everything that they brought in for like the fall season would usually be, you know, on sale. But I don't know. I mean, I don't know if I like this better, where you're getting a deeper discount, or if you like the 30% off, whereas you can pick whatever you want. Like, I don't know. Like, I haven't really been feeling it like that. And then too, the things that they did put on sale, I didn't really like that much. I mean, that's why I only bought like shoes, because I haven't really been that impressed with their assortment this year anyway. I think I've been more than vocal about that. Other than like their accessories, I feel like they really haven't been bringing it when it comes down to clothing, you know, all the super crop stuff. And I don't know, it just hasn't really been super interesting. Or it's been things that's just not super wearable, you know, for every day. And I used to get most of my everyday items and everyday gear from them. And now I get most of that stuff from either Target or H&M. So I don't know. So, but I'll show you guys what I got. Maybe on a later video. I don't know. I might come back on here and unbox the boots in another video, so you may see this outfit again. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. Today is Friday. I am off. I'm off the rest of the weekend, so enjoy your holiday weekend. I hope you are able to spend some time with your family if you're able to. And everyone, please stay safe. Have a good weekend.